The 2007 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, tow hitch, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, cruise control. Come take a test drive today.